wano n'ekifo eky'Ebuddumbula era wano n'ekifo dada waife mu mayina ga Wilberforce, Kadhumbula, Gabula, Nadiope era nga neyali Kyabazinga of Busoga era nga yali vice president eyasooka yateekateeka ekifo kino nga n'ekyokuziikamu abakulembeze ab'eisaza lino ery'Ebugabula, nga ekifo kino munumba omwo mwazikibwamu baaba we eyayitibwanga Yosiya Nadiope ne maama we yeena yazikibwa omwo era ekitera bwe kyatuuka yeena nayisa omukono Wilberforce yazikibwa mulala omwo, abalala n'omukyala we yeena yazikibwa omwo. Olwo bw'amala okwisa omukono wa Professor Wilson Nadiope Anodi nga ni baba wa Kyabazinga aliwo, yeena bwe yayisa omukono yazikibwa omwo. Kale ekifo ekyo kirimu entaana 5 era nga neyali fezi esooka, fezi ey'okubiri yetusuubira nti iseifu aliwo buti naide ogitandikaku okwongeraku, aye nga eyo neyali pulaani eya ekizimbe kino. Pulaani eyo nga bamugibona yazimbwa mu myaka gya 63, aye pulaani teri yakuno yagitoola mu nsi eyo yeyatambulirangaku, yatoola pulaani eyo era kyova obona nti tebonekaboneka era n'enzimba yayo n'obugumu bwayo okuseza myaka egyo gye yazimbwamu n'obutivi bweboneka ogibonera nga kizimbe kyali kya ku mulembe ino era kyanirizibwa tukizira ku ino mateeka galobera abantu gatuuka era kyova obona nti nimwe mutuuseewo wano tukirobera abantu kwidde okulambuula era n'ovaawo niyongerayo ku mu bifo ebindi ebiri mu kitundu kino ebisikiriza abalambuuzi.
Amayina gange ninze Kirya Michael, tour guide wa Kagulu Rock era caretaker ow'ekifo kino. Nenze kukulaga Kagulu niki mbwemulira Kagulu niki. Kagulu kiri mu Uganda mu Buyende district, Kagulu sub county, kyaba mu LC ya Kibira Kyeza. Olusozi Kagulu luliku efuti 36 okuva wansi paka waigulu. Then bw'otuuka waigulu eno eriyo ebyewunisa bingi, eriyo ebibira, yabayo embuzi da Kyabazinga diri 10,000 eyo n'omusobo, eriyo empuku ya Kyabazinga gye bajjamu okweyama. Twaba n'akadiba akatakalira maadi ketujjayo okusaba emikisa, osaba abalongo, osaba obugaiga, buli kintu kyoba ng'oyenze kiri ku lusozi Kagulu. Woba ku lusozi Kagulu eno osobola okubona view ya Busoga yona nga bwekoma, era bw'oba no olengera kule ku Teso, walengera Buganda yona mubona bulungi ino. Ekyewunisa ekindi ekiri ku lusozi Kagulu, bazimbaku ebizimbe ng'ebyo obwa Kyabazinga, bazimbaku ebizimbe weyabayinga omuntu bw'aniina aida yawumulira kuomwo yafuna n'akokunwa. Twafuna omukisa Right Honorable Rebecca Kadaga yatuteerawo ebyokunwa yeneno ku lusozi. Twaba ne accommodation diriyo, so omuntu ayinza okuva mu nsi edo walanga ikenda kwidasula. Tulina camping site. Right Honorable Rebecca Kadaga yatuteerawo mama wa Busoga.
I welcome you here. I first congratulate you for climbing and finally making it at the top of Kagulu Rock. This is our 8th climbing edition. We want to inform the public that everything is set. As I was touring with the media, they really confirmed that the place is ready to host. We have seen the steps already. We have seen the statue, the monument that the Kyabazinga is going to unveil. It's going to be ready and unveiled by the king. We have seen the caves. We have gone through the caves where the Dada Namtukula used to reside and rest and sleep with his family and the wife Dada Naudo. We have also seen the lake that is endowed in the lakes, and that is believed to be one of the blessed source, the source of blessing at this rock. We went there and also experienced that blessing. We had to refresh from there. It was such a nice moment. We also saw the soils around at the top of the soil where our judges used to cultivate the foods they used to feed on. As we talk now, we are at the top of the mountain. Members, this is not, those listening to me and watching me, this is not Table Mountain in South Africa. We are at Kaguru Rock in Buyende, in Busoga, in Uganda. At the top of this rock, it is flat. It is flat at the top, and that is where we are seated. I wanted also to interest you with the activities we are going to have next week. We shall have couch exhibitions. That is when we shall be able to identify the best Miss Tourism Busoga and then the other Chiefdom Tourism Queens. We shall also have the Miss TikTok and Mrs. TikTok because of the theme that Iseife Kyabazinga accepted us to use this year, which is creating job opportunities through digital and art tourism. That way, the Kyabazinga encouraged the youths to use most of the tourism sites to get content for the some of our youths who look for content to get money. That content would help them. All these people are looking for content in Busoga. They will be given free entrance to all our tourism sites, and they get content, use it, and get people who come to visit, and also earn some money from the app providers. We have also unveiled, last week we unveiled the ambassador, the tourism ambassador, who is Sidik Wako, our son, our grandson from Namutumba, and his Soga names Kakaire Mutwahiri, a born of Namutumba district, Muisemena. I'm right with him here. He was accompanied by his colleague in the same music industry. Thank you very much.
This is Kadasuta Abdallah, the managing director of Busowoko Resort Beach. Busowoko Resort Beach is found on Busowoko village, Nawampanda, Butagaya sub-county in Jinja. It is roughly 15 kilometers from Jinja, Ambakoti Road, Budondo, and you reach Busowoko. Busowoko was started 2 years back, but now it has become a tourist site. If you want to find the activities like water massage, you go to Busowoko. Tubing, you go to Busowoko. Rafting, you will find it at Busowoko. Busowoko is the area where you can find the flyover, unlike in other areas, but you can find the flyover like that one. If you want wedding parties, if you want camping, Busowoko is the only place. If you want to see the tubing people, if you want to eat the best fish so far, you visit at Busowoko.
Amaina gange ninze Mukasa Benjamin, ndi manager wa the Itanda Falls Experience. The Itanda Falls Experience eyaganibwa ku kyalo kye beta Itanda egombolo ya Butagaya mu district ye Idinda etali city. Era tuli ku kituketezo kine kya Busoga nga Itanda Falls ni major waterfall esooka nga wakava ku source ya Nile twali ni source ya Nile aye amaadi gakendera yafuuka otinanda kale yena kudino amaadi gali flat kale eno ni waterfall esooka mewatuuka ku Maction Falls ne waterfall ediri wano ediri ku Nairo side eno.
Amayina ninze omulangira owebona Kifuluba Geoffrey Mukajanga atwala esaza eryebona. Bishop Hannington yayitibwa ku kyalo ky'ekyando era ekimu igomba ly'Ebukatuube mu district y'e Mayuge. Bino n'ebifo n'empuku bye yatambuliramu era yasulangamu. Ebintu bino byona byaliwo gansi mu myaka gyeyira ebiseera ebyo nga dada wange ne yali Kifuluba w'ekitundu kino era nga niruba eyasooka mu isaza lino eryebona. Eyakolanga ne Kabaka Mwanga nga natwala ekitundu kino kyona era nga naripotinga eri omukulu ebintu byona eba bifuire mu isaza. Kyali kya mukisa mu bintu mu biseera ebyo Bishop James Hannington ye bamugemera era bamubuuza ebibuuzo bingi ino ayenge ebiseera ebyo oluzungu banaife baiti balutegeera bulungi gabaawo ngo empulizaganya yali nzibu ino. Kale kyova yafuna obuzibu bwamutuukako era yayitirwa. Ayife nga abaali bene kitundu titwaleka bulekaawo twasalawo twamala twafuna obulokozi twalokolebwa era twagema eitaka lino einene erigeza nga ekazi ebikumi 205 twaligabira Church of Uganda esobole okulikulankulanya. Tuli basiimu nti gavumenti yaife yagati n'abo bulambuzi ni kanisa bataire emitwe galala ne chiefdom yaife tubone nti ekitundu kino kikulankulana. Era tusiima ino maama waife owekitiibwa Kisengedde maama waife alitwala Kadaaga olwakaweefube yatairewo okulankalanya ekitundu kino yazimba hotero eziragaja ng'abalambuzi banaba nga bayidyenga agantu awokusula. Yati yakola nsobi hotero yagituuma erina lya Sanctuary Hannington Hotel era eri kumpi kuwa abantu basobola okuyida okusulamu. Era niye naawo twasiima Bishop wa Busoga ali ku kati Bishop waife the Right Reverend Dr. Naimani Mukembo akoze obutayeera okubona nti ekitundu kino kijja mu maiso. Era twasiima ni Archbishop wa Uganda kuba buli mwaka aidagano twakungana era n'ebiseera ebisinga by inviting a president yaida twasobola okuba nga tutekereza ku bitundu bino nga tyerabire Venerable Canon Charles Sirongo akuumye ekitundu kino n'okukitereeza n'okukiyoyota n'ababuulizi b'enjiri boona okusobola okuba